Temple is a templating library that's written in Go. It compiles down to Go code, which makes it super easy to work with for in the rest of the code base. It's super efficient. Reusability becomes very easy. And they also have this thing of inheritance, or template wrappers is probably more correct, which can can save us quite a bit of code when we start to expand upon our blog or the page. So let's create like a base template here with the base structure of a HTML page. My personal blog, and for it to be able to wrap around other pages, we need it to accept some children, which you might be familiar with if you have ever done React. And you can see